Under the view menu, we'll be talking about full screen, how to preview full screen. So we have 4 options to four ways to do it. So the first one is to come to the view menu. You hit edit, preview, full preview. Can you see? Come like this. You see how the work is. Or you right click on outside the artboard, then you click on it. Right click and click. Is the first option there. F9. There is the shortcut. The third method is under the property standard bar. Can you see the standard bar? So if you click on it, can you see the sign? So preview. Or you can also use your shortcut, which is F9. This will also work. F9. So it will work. So that's how it is. Very important. Sometimes you want to see how your work is. So that's how you go about full screen preview in CorelDRAW. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Meet you in the next video. You're welcome.